Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Hivisonmonitamon from Digimon Fusion. If you guys are fans of Digimon Fusion, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Digimon and smash their like button. Thanks. Here's what you must know. You see Hivisonmonitamon, he's like this, he's like Monitamon, except he's more evolved, and he's a flat screen TV, and he is, unlike the original Monitamon, his attacks are more sophisticated and enhanced. And believe me, I think I like this Monitamon better. And, the first time this character was released in the show, so it was during the mission Mission Impossible, when, Mikey and the others planned on rescuing Princess Babamon from Musiamon's grasp. And, here was what you must know. This character, after Nene's fusion loader rebooted itself, it meant that she was a new fusion fighter and never gave up no matter what. After the fusion loader rebooted itself, it allowed 3 Monitamon to fuse into one being, enough to defeat Musiamon. It was pretty amazing what they did back there. I feel like this thing could overpower Shutmon times 5. And a known fact, Nene can fuse more than one Monitamon on the mission. And, Monitamon, these guys, they, have the... Let's say that, Mikey acquired 3 Monitamon from his database. Now he's able to use Hivisonmonitamon whenever he needs him. I feel like this Digimon should be in Cyber Sleuth Hacker's memory, or the next Digimon series. There we go. Here we go. Oh. Okay, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw the hoses on his mouth. So, there's his screen here. There we go. Next up, here's his thing here. This line. Next up, here's his belt. There we go. That takes care of that. Next up, here's his hand here. There's his magic wand. And finally, here's his legs. Gotcha. There we go. And that's how you draw Hivisonmonitamon. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? So, if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And do you guys miss having Digimon Fusion around? I know I did. Oh, and be sure to leave this comments to Toy Animation and Bandai Namco for all their hard work. I wish for their series to come back in America. I do wish to see Digimon Hunters. Please get my comment. So anyways, that's all the time I have for now. And this is Hivisonmonitamon saying signing off. Bye.